Hello po, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome po sa ating YouTube channel. Ngayong araw na ito ay magkakaroon po tayo ng panibagong tutorial tungkol po sa how to send files from your phone to your Google Drive or to a certain Google Drive account. So medyo mahirap po ito kapag wala po tayong laptop or wala po tayong access sa computer. So I hope this tutorial will help you on how to address this problem, especially kapag nasa travel tayo. So first, pupuntahan muna natin yung Google Drive account kung saan natin if-send ang file. So I will just access the one that I had recently. This is actually very important or beneficial po sa atin no working and traveling at the same time. So this is the Google Drive. Kita ninyo, ito po yung usual na nakikita po natin kapag ina-access po ang Google Drive sa ating phone. So, ano pong gagawin natin para makasend po tayo ng file? So, what we're going to do is to click the three dots, the topmost dots on your Google Drive. After you click the dots, you can see there open with. Click the open with and then you are redirected sa different choices. So click Google Chrome. Alright. After you click Google Chrome, this time mariredirect po rin tayo sa ating Google Drive. So the same pa rin yung format natin, no? Wala pa rin siyang halos pinagbago. Ang only thing na magbabago dito is yung choices natin na makikita sa ating three dots. So we will click it and you can see there desktop site. You click desktop site. Okay, so after you click desktop site, hintayin muna natin na ilang sandali at ito na po siya. Yung format po ng ating Google Drive is almost the same na po sa format na makikita po natin sa ating computer or laptop. So medyo familiar na po natin, no, yung format ng ating Google Drive. At this time, we will try to look for the folder kung saan natin po isi-send yung ating file. So the moment you send it, just double click. And now, you can see kung ano po nilalaman ng ating folder. Okay, so handa na po tayo sa pagsisend ng ating file. Ano po bang gagawin natin? So, what we're going to do is to click the new button. Kung ang isi-send po natin is individual file, so i-click po natin yung file upload. Pero kung naka-folder na po siya, i-click po natin yung folder upload. So sa aking case, i-click ko po ang file upload. To sa ilalim, meron po siyang choices na files. So hanapin po natin yung file kung saan ko or kung anong file ang isi-send ko. Then click it and hintayin lang po natin na matapos ang ating file upload. Okay, so hopefully, there it is. We have finally uploaded our file. So congratulations po. At I hope that this tutorial helped you with your common problem. So thank you very much and God bless us all.